Want to change the font size on your iPhone? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change the font size step by step. Start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Here, you'll find an option called Text Size. Tap on that, and you'll see a slider with a live preview. If you drag the slider to the left, the text becomes smaller, and if you slide it to the right, the text gets larger. You can instantly see the change as you adjust it, which makes it easy to find the size that's most comfortable for you. Now, if you'd like the text to be even bigger than the standard options allow, go back to Settings and tap Accessibility. From there, open Display and Text Size, then select Larger Text. This unlocks additional levels on the slider, letting you make the font much larger, which is perfect if you need extra visibility. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the font size on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.